Here's the item in the dust bag. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Hey guys, what's good? My name is Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is a double unboxing. It's a double Louis Vuitton unboxing. And if you guys don't know, this is my birthday month. I was born in February, so it's kind of my treat yourself month. So if you're new here, I know you just want me to get right to the goods, do the Louis Vuitton unboxing. But before I do that, I do post videos 2 times a week on luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. So go ahead and just hit the subscribe button while you're here. I'll wait for you and then we can get into the video. All right, so this is the first package. And before we get started, I am currently wearing Lily lashes. If you are wondering, I will link in the description box the exact pair that I'm wearing. But I did do a whole video on Lily lashes, including a comparison of the different styles, a demo, and my complete review. And I'll go ahead and link that above. All right, so this item I actually literally got today. I was waiting to get this item to go ahead and do the video. So you can see here, the box says Louis Vuitton. And this item is kind of a more sought after Louis Vuitton item. I've seen it a lot on the pre-loved market, but I've seen the price kind of jacked up. So I was really excited when I actually saw this on the website. And this would be my second brand new item from Louis Vuitton. Usually I do purchase pre-loved, but sometimes it just makes more sense to just buy it directly from Louis Vuitton for me. In this case, it just made more sense for me to just buy it directly from Louis Vuitton. So, okay, so this box just like folds out, and then I guess you just slide this out, and this is the packaging. I haven't even seen it myself. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen this myself. I'm trying to just make sure I'm in frame. I'm nervous, but it's, as you can tell, it's a smaller item. Oh, it's packaged so pretty. I haven't gotten like a big item from Louis Vuitton before. All right, so just gonna undo the bow and pull it out. I'm silly. Here's the item in the dust bag. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? I got the mini Pochette in the monogram. Brand freaking new. This is made in France. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. The zipper, I die. Oh wow, it's so cute. It's just, I mean, run-of-the-mill mini Pochette, nothing too special besides the fact that it is brand new. And yeah, I've been wanting this for a while and I finally got it, so really excited about that. So let's move on to the second item. All right, so now for my bag that I got from Louis Vuitton. Came in this bad boy. So you might notice that this box is not in the best condition, and I think it's because the box is not new. So I purchased this item from the LV Addicted Facebook group, and it's brand new. It's never been worn. I have all the original receipts and everything. I did already check this bag out, only because I just wanted to make sure that it was, you know, it was authentic and it was what I purchased. So yes, I have actually already opened this and actually used it already, but I still wanted to unbox this with you all on camera, and then also to show you all that even when you do purchase it from a pre-loved site like the Facebook Addicted group, a lot of times you still do get the full experience of getting the box and all the packaging and everything. So I'll go ahead and open this up. So of course it's the magnetic closure. And then inside is the bag and the dust bag. And then like I said, this did come with all the original paperwork and receipts and everything. You guys will never guess what bag this is. I don't know, you might. Okay. So I got the I've been wanting this bag for so long. Okay, sorry. I got the, oh shit, what is this bag called? This is the, I'm totally having like a mom brain moment, and I don't even know if I can still blame it on mom brain because my son's almost 2. Wow, I'm really losing it. I have to look at the receipt. This is the Pochette metis. That's what it is. Okay. Okay, this is the Pochette metis in the rose poudre, I believe is the actual color. And it's beautiful. It's just everything and more. This is kind of like a unicorn bag to me, although it's not hard to find. Like, you can actually go right now on the Louis Vuitton website and get this bag. But yes, this is the bag. It's all leather. It's the empreinte leather. It has the zipper in the back. It has the snap closure in the front. And then when you open it up, it does have the strap, and the strap is pink, of course, too, and it's adjustable. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen it in this color, but it's beautiful. I'm not sure. I don't think on camera it's showing up as true to color. It's definitely a little bit more richer than it's showing up on camera in real life. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it. And then in the inside, you've got the 3 compartments. So you've got the compartment back here. And then you have this middle compartment. This one is the biggest. And then you have this compartment here in the front. It doesn't have any zip compartments in the inside, but you do have the zipper compartment on the back. And I have used this. I usually like to put my phone in here or my keys. So yeah, this is the bag. So these are both of my items to kind of start off my B-Day month that I've purchased. I'm unfortunately not done shopping, so I might have 1 or 2 other unboxings this month. I definitely will have some more haul videos, but I just wanted to give these bad boys as much screen time as they deserve. I will be, of course, doing a first impressions, a what's in my bag. I will be doing some outfit videos. I've actually been waiting on this bag to do some outfit videos because I want to do more videos on how I styled these items. So yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.